Hey there, Carey Buck here, and you're about to watch a video of me attempting to get a bank account where we just moved locally. And if I was able to accomplish this, it will save me a heck of a lot of time because right now our bank is 2 hours away in Pennsylvania, and we moved to Delaware. Um, so that's what this video that's following is going to show you. Stay tuned to see if I got the account open. But again, my name is Carey Buck. I've been an ATM business owner since 2009. I've been an ATM business mentor since 2011, where I teach people just like you how to start and grow your own profitable ATM business. And you know what? Folks want to start an ATM business for a bunch of reasons. You know, a lot of folks, I think most of the folks, if I was to, take a poll, a majority of them are folks that eventually want to get out of their 9 to 5s, right? So they start this side hustle. Then you have the folks that just want to, better save for retirement. You have the folks that just want to put their money to work for them, so they're not always working for their money. You have the people that just want to see some kind of return on their money, and then you have the folks that are already investing in different avenues. So let's say like real estate, and they're tired of putting out a whole lot of cash for a real estate deal to make a return, and they'd rather put out a smaller amount of cash in their ATM business to make a decent return, right? So it's all different reasons why people want to start an ATM business. That's personal to you. The reason people come to me to help them start their ATM business is because I'm going to help save them time, money, and headaches. If you would like to learn more about the ATM business and how I can help you start your own ATM business, go to atmtrainingvideo.com. Again, that's atmtrainingvideo.com. All right, so for now, watch this video. It's from a couple days ago when I attempted to get a bank account in my local area. And you're going to find out if I got a bank account. And you're also going to learn a couple tips when it comes to getting a bank account. Enjoy.
All right, guys. Carey here. It's a rainy, dreary day at the beach today. I am going to attempt to get a new bank account today. Because my current bank, whom I love, it's just too far away. They're in Pennsylvania. They don't really have any branches here in Delaware. So I'm going to attempt to go get a new bank account today. My first attempt failed because the people would not listen to me and that I know what I'm talking about and they don't. So now we're going to attempt again to get an account, and I feel more confident about it today. So first, before I even go to the bank, what I'm doing is I'm going to Wawa and I'm going to withdraw some money out of the ATM because I'm confident that I'm going to get this bank account open today. So I don't have to drive freaking 2 hours to go to the bank every time I'm going to go to the bank. So I'm confident. And I'm going to grab myself an apple juice because I'm feeling a little under weather today. This rain, see it's raining out. I don't know if you can see it's raining out, but you can see my wipers are on. This rain, it's not good for me. Rain makes my head all jacked up, makes my eyes act up, makes my nose act up. I got a sore throat today. So I blame the rain, but I also blame a chiropractor. This is going to sound weird, but I haven't been to the chiropractor since we moved. So that's October 15th. So that's when we settled on our old house. So I haven't been in a chiropractor since earlier, probably the week before October 15th. And while I went to the chiropractor, I was never sick. I know you might think that sounds crazy. I know. The old me would have thought that sounds crazy. The new me knows for a fact when I was going to the chiropractor, I was never sick. So I think there's something to it. So I'm going to find me a chiropractor down here. All right, let me go in here, grab an apple juice, grab some money, and let's go open a bank account. All right. Got my 600 bucks. Just going to deposit 600 bucks because I'm confident that we're going to get this stuff done today. Got my 600 bucks. Got my little folder full of stuff that I need. Hold on a second. Sorry, I'm covering up the camera. Got my apple juice because my throat hurts. And after this, I'm going to stop and get some oranges and make some fresh orange juice. I'll be right back. Ooh, took a bit, but my temporary checks, baby. My bank account is now open. Now my life just got a whole lot easier. Well, I guess it'll probably start getting easier next week. This week I'll probably still fill my machines at the old bank account because there's still like, I don't know, 20 grand in the bank account or whatever that I'll just take out and put in the machines. But then the money will start going through to this new account. And then next week I'll save myself a bunch of hours because I won't have to drive to PA to go to the bank. Now that just goes to tell you guys, I went to another branch of this bank and they told me they couldn't open an account, which I knew they were full of baloney. And I was trying to explain it to them that I swear I know you guys can open this account because I have students with this bank, right? And so that just goes to show what I tell you is accurate. Sometimes it's not the bank, it's the branch. It's the branch and the people in the branch that are willing to help.
There you saw it. I actually got it done. I got myself a bank account that day. It took a little bit, but it all worked out, right? It all worked out. I'm recording this video right now talking to you a couple days after I got that bank account. And that's why I sound like crap, because I am officially under the weather. I think I'm probably on a mend now. But in that video, you saw that I was thinking I was getting, under the weather. I was drinking some apple juice. Well, it came to fruition. Anyway, so hopefully you learn a couple tips about getting a bank account, right? So sometimes, even though a branch will tell you no, that doesn't mean no. It means you might got to try another branch or try a different person within the branch. You know what I mean? So you just got to be persistent when it comes to getting a bank account. Don't ever lie. I made a video about this. Don't lie when you're trying to get a bank account. Okay? Don't try to, act all cool and act like, oh yeah, I'm in the vending business, which technically we are vending cash, or I'm in the whatever you want to say business, but you're really in the ATM business. Don't do that stuff. That's a good way to get your account shut down. Okay? Just be honest with them, right? I promise you there are banks out there that will let you open up an account for your ATM business, okay? Remember, if you need more help with this and you need more help with your ATM business in general, feel free to go to atmtrainingvideo.com, enter your email address in there. On the next page, watch the 28-minute video. It'll teach you a great deal about this, how to make consistent monthly passive income from ATMs and big chunks of cash in small time frames from ATMs, okay? atmtrainingvideo.com. If when you're done that video, you realize, you know what, I'd really like Carey to help me, to save me some time, money, and headaches, fill out that application. Once you submit that application, you're going to be taken to a calendar, set up a call with my team. They'll hop on the phone with you, go over some goals with you, and you guys mutually will decide if one of my trainings is a fit for you. All right? Any questions? Post them below. Don't forget to like this video. All right? Like this video. And don't forget to click on that ATM machine right there and subscribe to my channel. Right? Like the video. And then post any comments or questions you have down there or any ideas for future videos. All right, I will talk to you soon. This is Carey Buck. May you live happily off of passive income.